Well, I was looking for some lights for the server rack, and I wanted these lights to be very unobtrusive, small, but put out a lot of light. And I'll be darned if I didn't find these LED puck lamps, and they only pull 6 watts for all of them running, and they're super bright. I'm looking straight up at them, and you can see through the server rack there. The Xserve is at the very top. I've added a laptop to administer other servers that I take care of, as well as the ones here in the house. Interesting story about that laptop. The came in here in the shop as it wouldn't charge and it wouldn't run off the battery, and something happened in the charging circuit, replaced the little card on the motherboard. That was the first thing to do, because that was the least expensive thing to try the first time, but it didn't work. So I hotwired did a pinout on the battery, found out the voltages I need on what pins. Then I had a Hewlett-Packard printer, copier, scanner power supply. I'm going to get up here and show you that here in just a second. I wanted to show you this drive here real quick. Something down here, that's the 1 terabyte external. iOmega did a nice job of matching that to the tower. So, but okay, and then my UPSs are down here. And then I'll get back, I'm going to get up here. I'm not going to move because it makes everybody seasick. So I'm going to get up and I'll show you that laptop. Well, here's the back of the laptop. It's a MacBook Core 2 Duo 1.8 gigahertz processor. It's got 4 gig of RAM in it. Oh yeah, by the way, I picked up my copy of Snow Leopard. And I have that on my other laptop. So far, it's really nice. And then, since I'm here, I'll show you the back side of the Xserve. That's not hooked up yet. I'm got everything configured, ready to go. We're going to be putting that on the network here before long. But the laptop is running on here, I'll go back around here. Is running on a Hewlett-Packard, because I needed 16 volts at 1.5 amps, and that's what I needed for current and voltage on the pin ends. And I keep these here in the shop because in case something goes bad, we can just flip one in. But this one produces 16 volts and 32 volts. It happened to produce 16 volts, and I needed it at the proper current. And you see this line right here, that's the one it runs in. I've soldered them straight to the battery pins on the laptop. And for you skeptics out there thinking, that's not going to work very long, well, it's been running over 1.5 years this way, 24/7. So, of course, I did voltage measurements and and everything that make sure that we're going to overload the power supply, but the power supply just sits there and runs cool. And there he is, the front view. There's sitting in there right there, but it works out great. And then found a nice Xserve, and you've seen from my other videos there that was I had it on the test bench. We were configuring the RAID card in it and booting it up. It's a very, very nice machine. It was super, super clean inside. I mean, it was really clean, and I'm a very picky person when it comes to cleanliness on my equipment. So, and then there's my 3G5 servers there that I use. So anyway, these little puck lamps, get back to the puck lamps too here. They're right here, one there, and one there. And I tell you, it's like Lowe's had those. Walked in there, and this is the brand name on it, Utilitech LED Puck Kit. It's perfect, exactly what I needed for the length of wire between them. You just unwind the wire you need. You didn't have to do any wire modifications on it at all. So anyway, that's another little update here, and then I'm going to shut all the lights down. Okay, that's the kind of light. It lights up the keyboard on the MacBook really nice. There's my gigabit switch. I have 2 ports. Got 3 ports open. be enough for what I'm going to do here on this rack anyway. So anyway, that's a little update there, and stay tuned. As usual, there will be more.